Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Tastyworks, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Tastyworks on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab. Select Balances to view your current account balance. Next, click on the Funding section to understand your cash and margin available. Take note of your cash balance, which is crucial for your budgeting. Look at your open positions to see how they affect your overall balance. Now, review your transaction history to assess past trades and expenses. Identify recurring fees or commissions to include in your budget. Set a budget goal for the month, keeping in mind your financial situation. Allocate funds for your essential expenses, such as rent and utilities. Determine how much you can afford to set aside for trading. When budgeting for trading, include your target profit margins. Factor in at least a safety net for unexpected market conditions. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to track your allocations. List your trading options and assign each a budget based on your strategy. Review your risk tolerance and adjust your trading budget accordingly. Once you have a complete overview, monitor your progress weekly. Adjust your budget as necessary based on market performance and personal circumstances. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure they align with your current financial status. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget, even during volatile market conditions. Continue to educate yourself about trading strategies that fit your budget. Lastly, celebrate small milestones in your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.